I refused to name my baby after my mom. Then she told me the truth. I told my mom I'm not naming my baby after her. She laughed. Oh, honey, it's tradition. My mom did it, I did it, and now you will too. I shook my head. Mom, I've always hated my name. It never felt like me. I want my child to have their own identity. Her smile faded. You're exaggerating. Your name is beautiful. Then why did you always shorten it? Why did you let people mispronounce it without correcting them? I asked. She opened her mouth but hesitated. Every time I heard my name, it felt like someone else's. I don't want that for my child. Silence. Then in a quiet voice, she said, I never liked my name either. That stopped me. I wanted to change it when I was younger, but my mom wouldn't let me, she admitted. So I gave you the name I wished I had. I swallowed. But mom, it wasn't mine to carry. For the first time, she truly looked at me. Then she nodded. We're okay, she whispered. Choose a name that's theirs.